Hello everyone, I'm Jay, and welcome back to English Life. In today's lesson, I'd like to teach you about count and non-count nouns, some and any. Before we begin, please don't forget to hit the notification bell to get our latest English videos. Now, let's give it a try. Count nouns. An egg, an egg, an egg. Eggs, eggs, eggs. A sandwich, a sandwich, a sandwich. Sandwiches, sandwiches, sandwiches. Do we need any eggs? When we ask a question using count or non-count nouns, we use any before the noun. Do we need any eggs? Do we need any eggs? Do we need any eggs? Yes, let's get some. When answering yes, we should say some. Some refers to eggs in this answer. Do we need any eggs? Yes, let's get some. When we answer with no, we would use any to refer to eggs in this answer. No, we don't need any. Once again, if someone asks, do we need any eggs? Yes, let's get some. Or, no, we don't need any. Non-count nouns. Bread, bread, bread. Lettuce, lettuce, lettuce. Like before, the same rules apply to the question and answers. Do we need any bread? Do we need any bread? Do we need any bread? Yes, let's get some. No, we don't need any. Did you find this video helpful? I upload videos every week on English pronunciation. You can find some of my other videos here. Please don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, this is Jay signing off. Hope you all have a happy holiday. See you again real soon. Goodbye.